Hi, and welcome to this video series about OpenEDR. Today we're going to deploy our first OpenEDR agent. So to get started, I'm going to enroll my first device. I'm going to go to Assets and Devices. I can either click on Enroll Now or I can go to Enroll Device. I'm okay with this user, Windows Platform. It's going to ask me if I want to enroll and protect or simply enroll. So simply enroll will just connect the agent to the platform and we can decide which security solutions we want to deploy later on. But I'm going to click on enroll and protect, which will already enable some security services on the endpoint. My Windows platform is Windows 64-bit. The profile we will look into later, but this is the default that it's giving me here. I want to do a 5-minute forced reboot, but we're probably going to reboot the machine ourselves. And I'm not going to change the device name. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to give me these two links. So the reason it's providing the full link and also the short link is because some spam filters might pick up this short link. So it's going to give us also the full link, which could be easier. It's also better for troubleshooting, etc. So I'm going to copy this, click Finish, and we'll come back here to see the endpoint once we complete the deployment process. So on the endpoint itself, I'm going to open my web browser, and I'm going to paste the link in here. This will bring up the enrollment wizard. I'm going to click on Download Windows Installer. Once it's done, I'm going to open the folder and run the installer. Now I'm getting the smart screen warning, which I find to be a bit weird. However, I do trust Comodo and OpenEDR, so I'm going to ignore this warning. This is also just a lab environment, so I'm okay with this. Please use your own discretion when doing this. Now I'm going to let this run. It's going to download its components. It's going to then of course deploy them on the endpoint. It's going to assume control of the Windows Security Center. And then it's going to update the antivirus. I'm going to skip ahead in the interest of time. We'll come back to this machine when it's done, reboot it, and see if we can see the device on the platform. So now that the reboot has finished, let's go to the Windows Security Center. And we can see that the antivirus here is the Comodo antivirus. Now it is out of date, it's downloading its signatures in the background. So we're going to give it some more time, and then we're going to go back to the platform to see if we can find the device there. So now we're back on the OpenEDR platform. I'm going to hit refresh. And we can see our device. It has the agent, but we also ask for protection, so we have an AV and a firewall. That's it for now. In the next few videos, we're going to take a deeper look into OpenEDR. Thank you for listening. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for this video. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notifications about our new videos just as they come out. We'll see you next time.